Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily start a party together option on your JBL Tuner free. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to JBL Portable. Now here, go over to this little button right here, but make sure that your JBL Tuner free is connected. So go here. Now, as you guys can see, here we have a party together option. If you need more speakers, then you will simply have them once they are added. I have one speaker only, but you'll just need to connect to them in the Bluetooth settings. Right here, you will have an option to pair a new device and then you will see them. But I cannot because I just don't have them physically with me. But here you can enable the party together. As you guys can see, now it's connecting and it's connected to party together. Now it's discovering more speakers. So basically party together will play the same stuff that you play on the one speaker to make it seem more loud or to just boost the overall volume. So for an example, you place this in one corner of the room, then you place other three on every single corner, and everything should sound perfect. So this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.